If you're planning to build in Kenya and you don't know these construction tips and tricks, you are about to lose money, time, and peace of mind. Stay until the end because the last tip is the reason most of construction projects fail, and I see it every single week. Let's get into it. Tip number 1, start with a plan, not materials. One of the biggest mistakes people make is buying construction materials before having approved drawings. You buy stones, sand, cement, then design changes. That is wasted money. Always start with proper drawings, approvals, and a clear scope before spending a single shilling. If you have seen this mistake happen, comment plan below. Tip number 2, measure twice, pay once. Poor measurements cost people a lot of money in construction. Too many materials means wastage, too few means delays. Accurate material take-offs can save you between 10 to 20% of your total construction costs. Tip number 3, cheap materials are the most expensive. In construction, cheap materials always end up being expensive. Low quality stones, poor sand, weak timber all lead to cracks, rework, and repairs. Always buy from the reputable suppliers, not just the cheapest option you find. Tip number 4, never let one fundi do everything. A mason is not a plumber, and a plumber is not an electrician. Using specialized professionals may seem expensive at first, but it prevents serious mistakes that cost much more later. Now, this next tip is where most construction projects in Kenya go wrong. Tip number 5, no timeline equal to endless construction. If your project has no timeline, expect endless delays. Fundis disappear, suppliers delay, and costs keep rising. Every project must have a clear construction schedule with responsibilities and deadlines. Tip number 6, always have a contingency fund. Unexpected costs in construction are normal, panic is not. Always set aside 10 to 15% of your budget as contingency. This protects you from stress when unexpected happens. Tip number 7, which is most important, get proper construction management. Most people don't lose money because construction is expensive. They lose money because of poor supervision, unqualified fundis, unreliable suppliers, and lack of accountability. This is where professional construction management becomes critical. At Veewave Enterprises, we offer comprehensive construction management services. We connect our clients with professional service providers, reputable suppliers, and we ensure projects are completed within budget and on time. Many of our clients come to us after losing money elsewhere, and our goal is to help you get it right the first time. Thank you for watching. If you're planning to build or already building, subscribe to this channel for practical real estate and construction guidance in Kenya. And if you want a stress-free construction management, reach out to Veewave Enterprises. We will help you achieve your dream without costly mistakes. This is Njeri from Veewave Enterprises, your trusted partner in building smarter, stronger, and stress-free in Kenya. Until next video, let's keep building excellence together.